Okay, so once again, very fresh good morning to all the students. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the third type of assembly, that is the assembly of the footstep bearing. Okay, in that last lecture, we have covered two assembly, that is the which assembly we have covered. See, we have covered that tool post assemblies here. Then also we have covered stuffing box assemblies here, and also today in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the last assembly, that is the footstep bearing assembly. We are going to prepare here. Okay, see. Now, screen is visible? Yes, anybody
Yes, sir.
please give the reply.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
that all
Yes,
the
sir.
dimension is visible. See, all the dimension are
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Now, see here, today we are going to discuss the
Yes.
assembly of the footstep bearing here. Okay, see, what is the application of footstep bearing? Already this point we have discussed in our friend cases. Also, we have make friend cases of that footstep bearing. Okay, during that also I was told you about that application of footstep bearing. Okay, then tell me what is meant by the footstep bearing. What is the application of that footstep bearing? Okay, how many parts are there in that footstep bearing? I think we are knowing that bearing means it is used for to making the support or providing the support to the shafts. Okay, but what is the facility of that footstep bearing? Inside that footstep bearing, we are going to hold the shafts in vertical direction only. Okay, it means that one end of the shaft is going to fix into that footstep bearing, and the position of your shaft, it will be vertical inside that footstep bearing. Okay, that point we have studied in that fan caches. Now, just observing the their dimension and whatever details they have given, according to that we want to make the assembly of that footstep bearing. Okay, see here which details they have given. See which parts they have given. See, this is called as the details. Okay, I'm going to divide it. Okay, this portion is called as the details. Means they have given the each and every part separately, and that whatever that details they have given. Okay, according to their dimension and according to our the knowledge, we have to understood ki which part is going to inside into which part is going to fit into which part. Okay, then how to identify which part is going to fit into which part? Okay, see here, just observing the dimension and by applying the some logic, we can easily understood. See here, first up we have to understood which part they have given or which details they have given. See here, this is the part number one. Okay, this is the part number one. It is called as the body. They have given the body. Then this is the second part. Okay, so this is the second part. It is called as the bush. They have given bush. Then this is the third part. That is the pad. It is called as the pad. Okay, then it is the last part, that is the part number 5. It is called as the shaft. Okay, yes, anybody can you tell me which part is going to fit into which part? Yes, anybody, कुठला पार्ट कुठे बसणार आहे मला कोणी सांगू शकता का इमॅजिन करून, किंवा बाय डेव्हलपिंग और बाय युजिंग युअर लॉजिक? Okay, yes, anybody, what will be their assembly? You don't see this assembly, you don't see this answer. Okay, just observing the details, just observing the details, can you make imagine how that assembly is going to prepare? Yes, anybody? Yes. Okay, see, this will be the first part. This is the body. Okay, during the making the assembly, one point you have to remember, first upon you have to draw the body or whatever that big part they have given. Okay, whatever that big part they have given, that big part first upon we have to draw, and you have to remember whatever that small part they have given, that small part we want to insert into that big part. ठीक आहे, आपल्याला असेंब्ली मध्ये सगळ्यात मोठा पार्ट दिलेला आहे, तो आपण सुरुवातीला ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचा आहे. मग बॉडी असेल, फ्रेम असेल. ओके, आणि काय करायचं नंतर जे काय छोटे पार्ट आपल्याला दिले ते दॅट स्मॉल पार्ट, okay, with respect to their dimension and with the logic, we have to insert that small part into the that given big part. Okay, see here, they have given the front view. Okay, they have given the front view of that all the part. See, this is the front view of the part number one, that is the body of your footstep bearing is here. Okay, and this is the top view. Okay, this portion is called as the top view they have given of that body. ह्या बॉडीज आपल्याला काय दिलं, टॉप व्ह्यू दिलेला आहे, and these are the front view. Okay, this is the front view of the bush. See, this is bush. I'm going to write here, this is the bush, B. This stand for the bush. This is the shaft, yes, it is stand for the yes shafts. And this is the pad, stand for the P. Okay, that much only 5 parts are there, and that 5 part we want to make combine. Once we have to combine that all the 5 parts, then our footstep bearing assembly is going to prepare. Okay, see which dimension they have given. See the dimension of that body. Okay, that all dimension they have given. See. Okay, see what is the total height. Okay, what is the total length of this base? Yes, anybody can tell me what is the total
180.
length of this base they have given? Yes.
180.
Okay, see here, see the top view, because here they have not given. Okay, to understood the dimension, you have to observe the front view and top view. Along with the front view, also have to understood the top view. Top जर एखादा front view मध्ये dimension दिलेलं नसेल तर आपण कुठे बघायचं आहे? Top view मध्ये बघायचं. See, this is the top view. Inside that top view, this length they have given, that is the 180. Okay, this is the 180 means this total length. See here, from this point. Okay, from this point to this point, what is this distance? This distance is 180. Okay, then say what is the height of this base? What is the height? Yes, what is the height?
15.
15 mm height. Okay, again see, here is one plate they have placed. एक छोटी सी plate दिले का? Okay, what is thickness of this plate? 3 mm. Okay, and again from this 15 mm, again from that 15 mm, this distance they have given. What is this distance? What is this distance? Yes, कितने distance है? It is visible.
60.
What is this distance? Huh?
60.
Correct. 60. Right. Good. It is the 60. Then what is this total distance? Now tell me what will be
78.
this total distance? Yes, that is the yes
75.
70 70 no 78 75 is correct 75. Okay, हिथून 15 आहे ना, हे 3 धरायचं नाही. Total distance is 75 mm. Then see this diameter they have given. Okay, this diameter they have given. What is this diameter? Yes, this is the 90. Then 90 90 आहे. Then this depth, okay, 90. Then we want to draw this portion. This outside portion I want to draw. मला हे portion draw करायचं आहे. त्याचं डायमीटर किती दिलाय? 90 दिलाय. आता मला सांगा हे खाली लेंथ किती दिली आहे साईडला आपल्याला? What is this length? This is the 12 mm. Again from this 12 mm, again we want to draw this line up to this. What is this distance? 35 plus 3, 38. म्हणजे 38 पर्यंत ही लाईन आपण ड्रॉ करून घेतली इथं. Okay, then we want to draw this line. Again similar this line also we can draw easily. Okay, then we want to draw this portion. मला हे पोर्शन ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचं आहे. Then tell me what is the diameter of this portion? या हातल्या लाईनचं डायमेन्शन त्यांनी किती दिले आपल्याला? Yes,
62.
yes, it is the 62. म्हणजे आपण काय करायचं आहे? From the center point we want to divide this 62, half part in this direction, half part in this direction. म्हणजे इकडे साईडला किती घ्यायचं आपल्याला? 31 31 and this line we can draw. त्याची हाईट किती दिली? 12 दिली. Okay, this portion we can draw easily. Okay, this is the 62. Then this portion we want to draw. Okay, see here, this portion. आता सांगा हे जे डायमेन्शन किती दिले?
64.
What is this dimension? 64. आणि डेप्थ किती दिली ह्याची? 64 dimension diameter is there and what is the depth? Up to 35. Okay, म्हणजे आपण 64 चा हे करू, आपण हे डायमेन्शन काढून घेतलं, सॉरी, up to 35. Okay, then this what will be this dimension? What will be this diameter? Yes, tell me. हा diameter किती असेल हा?
62.
Yes, correct, very good. This dimension, because this is similar to this ना, हे आणि हे सेमच आहे म्हणून हे किती असेल? 62 असेल. तर राहिलेले 62 आपण काय करून काय जोडून घ्या. Okay, now this line we can draw. Okay, understood? Okay, because all dimension they have given. Okay, just observing the dimension we can easily draw this front view of the body. Also here they have given a hole for the nut. See, these are the nuts are there, and okay, for there they have given the hole. Now we want to draw this hole. आता हे hole आपल्याला कसे ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचे? Yes, anybody tell me what is this distance? What is the first step? We have to draw the center point of that hole. Then what is the distance between that center point of hole? हे distance किती असेल कोण सांगते? या दोन सेंटर पॉइंट मध्ये डिस्टन्स किती असेल?
65.
या दोन सेंटर किती असेल?
180.
65.
Right, 65. This is 180. Up to from this corner to this corner, this is the 180. आणि ह्यापर्यंत पाय आपल्याला इथपर्यंत आपल्याला काढून घ्यायचं. कुठपर्यंत काढून घ्यायचंय? दिस सेंटर पॉईंट. हे सेंटर पॉईंट दिलेत का 2? हे सेंटर पॉईंट मधलं डिस्टन्स मला काढून घ्यायचं. किती दिले त्यांनी? तर बघा, हे मेन जे सेंटर पॉईंट आपला, ह्या मेन सेंटर पॉईंट हे किती दिले या साईडला? इन दिस डिरेक्शन दे हॅव गिव्हन 65 mm. बरोबर आहे का? या साईडला किती दिले? 60. हे तर बघा ना, जस्ट यू हॅव टू ऑब्झर्व द टॉप व्ह्यू. बघा, याचं आपण वर प्रोजेक्शन नेलं असं. दिस डिस्टन्स दे हॅव गिव्हन 65 mm. ओके, बरोबर आहे का? दिस डिस्टन्स दे हॅव गिव्हन 65 mm. बरोबर आहे का? येस. म्हणजे साईड, म्हणजे फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर लाईन. ओके, हा, येस. From this center point, we want to draw a line of 65 mm, and from this center point again we want to draw this line up to 65 mm. And what is the diameter? What will be this diameter? Hey, diameter किती दिलाय? What is this
38.
diameter? See here. What is this diameter? Huh?
38.
38. See? Yeah, good. It is 38. Correct. 38 आहे का? 22 आहे? येस. चेक करा एकदा.
22.
22.
22. नो 22. हे बघा, हे आतलं सर्कल बघा, हे टॉप व्ह्यू बघा. यू हॅव टू जस्ट सी द टॉप व्ह्यू. फ्रॉम दिस टॉप व्ह्यू यू कॅन इझिली अंडरस्टूड. टॉप व्ह्यू बघा. ओके, हे होल आहे, हे छोटं जे होल आहे का, ह्याचा डायमीटर किती दिलाय त्यांनी? 22 दिलाय. ओके, म्हणजे ह्याचा डायमीटर किती असेल? 22 असेल. ह्याचा डायमीटर 22 असेल. ओके, अँड आता बघा, इथं वरच्या साईडला एक त्यांनी ट्रिप दिली का इथं? सी दिस ट्रिप. ही ट्रिप बघा, ह्या ट्रिपचा डायमीटर किती असेल? ह्या ट्रिपचा डायमीटर किती दिलाय? येस,
38.
38. करेक्ट. हे सर्कल बघा, त्याला हे सर्कल कोणाचं आहे? हे सर्कल ह्या लाईनचं आहे. म्हणून हे डिस्टन्स किती असेल? 38 असेल. हे डिस्टन्स, हे डायमीटर किती असेल? 30 असेल. आणि हा डायमीटर किती असेल? 22 असेल. ओके, सो वी कॅन इझिली अंडरस्टूड दिस पोर्शन. ह्याच्यामध्ये कोणाला काय अडचण आहे का? समजलंय का हाऊ टू ड्रॉ दिस? अगेन सी हिअर, दिस लाईन दे हॅव गिव्हन द इन्क्लाइंड लाईन हिअर. आता बघा, ही आपल्याला इन्क्लाइंड लाईन अशी ड्रॉ करायची. कोण सांगते हाऊ टू ड्रॉ दिस इन्क्लाइंड लाईन? इन्क्लाइंड कशी ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचे? ओके, फर्स्ट आपण वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ दिस 180 लाईन. ओके, ही 180, एक मिनिट, जस्ट 1 मिनिट. Okay, just we have to draw this 180 line. Okay, then from this 180 line, just we want to draw one vertical line up to the 15 mm to here. 15 mm, sorry, 15 mm. And see here, या साईडला बघा, they have given the 5 mm gap is here. किती गॅप दिलाय त्यांनी? 5 mm. म्हणजे काय करायचं, ह्या लाईन पासून 5 mm डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं, एक मार्क करायचा पॉइंट, या ठिकाणी एक मार्क करायचा, and then we have to join this inclined line. समजलंय? बरोबर आहे का?
Yes,
येस.
sir.
Okay, now this front view of that body we can easily draw here. Okay, now see what is our another point. This is the part number 1. Now what is our another point, part, that is the part number 2, sorry, part number 2, that is the bush. Okay, see, this is the part number 2, bush. Okay, that bush we want to draw here. Okay, that bush we want to draw here. Okay, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय करा, तुम्ही दोन्ही विचार करा. जस्ट वी हॅव टू थिंक अबाउट द असेंबली अँड डिटेल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, आपण असेंबली सायमल्टेनियस करणार आहे आणि डिसअसेंबली पण सायमल्टेनियसली तसं करणार, त्यामुळे दोन्ही कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा. देन दिस इज द पॉइंट नंबर 2, दॅट इज द बुश. देन वी वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ दिस बुश. ओके, ते कुठं बसणार आहे, काय बसणार आहे, दॅट पॉइंट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. Okay, then first upon you have to understood the dimension of each and every part. Okay, see, this is the part number 2, bush. We want to discuss the dimension of that bush. Okay, see here, what is the height of that bush they have given? See, what is the height of that bush? 10 mm, 35, 12, then 10 and 6. What is this total distance? I think it is 76. Am I right? बरोबर आहे का? Because this total distance they have given. What is this total distance? Calculate करा. 10 mm, 35, 12, 10 and 6. Yes.
73.
किती झालं? Yes.
73.
Hello, 73.
73.
Correct. It is right. Good. This distance it will be the 73 is here. Okay. That total height of that bush they have given, that is the 73 is here. See, this is the 73. Okay. 73 is here. Now how to draw this? Just we have to draw one center line. Center line आपल्याला करून घ्यावं लागेल, ऍक्सिस ड्रॉ करून घ्यावं लागेल इथून. Okay. Then see here. Okay, we can draw from bottom or we can draw from the top surface also. Okay, तर इथे आपलं डिस्टन्स किती आहे टोटल? लेंथ किती दिली? 73 दिली. Okay, then okay, from this 73 length, okay, what is this diameter they have given? What is this diameter? Yes,
80.
what is this diameter? 80. Okay, then we have to divide the diameter into two parts. Half part in this direction, half part in this direction. Means 40 at this direction and 40 at this direction. This line we want to draw. Okay, then see here. What is this gap? हे गॅप किती दिलाय? याच्यामधला गॅप किती दिलाय आपल्याला? 6 mm दिलाय. बरोबर आहे का? ओके, and 6 plus हे किती दिले खाली? हे गॅप किती दिलाय? 10 mm दिलाय. म्हणजे मी काय करतो इथून 60 पर्यंत अशी लाईन आपण ड्रॉ करून घेऊ इथं 60 पर्यंत. Then we can draw this vertical line. आणि हा डायमीटर किती दिलाय त्याने? 75 mm. This diameter. Just 1 minute. हे समज, सॉरी, ओके, हे समजलं का? हे पोर्शन आपण इझिली ड्रॉ करू शकतो. दिस इज द 80 डायमीटर. ओके, या पोर्शन आपण ड्रॉ करू शकतो. त्यानंतर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? हा कर्व काढायचा आहे. ओके, हा कर्व काढून हे डिस्टन्स आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायचं आहे. मला सांगा हे डिस्टन्स किती आहे? व्हॉट इज दिस डिस्टन्स? 6 mm. बरोबर आहे का? 6 mm. स्ट्रेट इथून खाली का 6 mm डिस्टन्स काय? ते पॉइंट दिला मी आणि इथे एक पॉइंट दिला, समजा 6 mm आहे. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. देन दिस डायमीटर द्यावं घेऊन, हे डायमीटर किती दिलंय बघा. देन दिस डायमीटर द्यावं घेऊन. ओके, 6 पर्यंत आपण डिस्टन्स घेतलं, इथे मार्क केला. त्यानंतर किती घ्यायचा डिस्टन्स? 10 mm डिस्टन्स वी हॅव टू टेक हियर. बिलो 10 mm डिस्टन्स लाईक दिस, 10 mm डिस्टन्स लाईक दिस. अँड व्हॉट इज दिस डायमीटर? हा डायमीटर किती दिलाय त्याने? येस,
75.
hello,
75.
75. Then we have to divide that 75 into two part. Half part in this direction, half part in the direction, and draw this 75 mm and join the line. Simple. Join the line here. Join the line here. Okay. And this curvature also we can draw friendly. Okay. The friendly cardon. Okay. Up to this, there is no problem. Now this diameter we want to draw here. A diameter किती असेल?
62.
60.
62.
हे करेक्ट. हा 62 असेल. ह्या साईडला पण 62 आहे. इथं पण काय असणार आहे? हा डायमीटर सी. This diameter it will be up to what distance? Up to what distance it will be 60? Okay, up to 12 mm. इथपर्यंत किती असणार आहे? हा 60 असणार आहे. 62 असणार आहे. हा डायमीटर किती असणार आहे? 62 असणार आहे. Okay, then see here, then this portion we want to draw. Then this portion, what is their dimension? What is their diameter they have given? What is this dimension? 60 mm. Up to what distance? Up to 35 distance. 35 पर्यंत 60 mm चा diameter draw करून घ्या. Then we want to draw this portion only. Then what is this distance? हे किती असेल परत? Again, this will be the 62. Okay, then up to 10 mm distance, join the 62. Okay, see here, that outside portion is completed. Okay, then inside this portion is only remaining. Here, this inside portion here we want to insert the shaft. Means what is this diameter they have given? Yes, किती diameter दिला है?
45.
Yes, what is this 45. Just we have to draw this 45 diameter line is here. I'm going to take another color. Here, then we can draw this diameter. This is this diameter of shaft, I think it is. This portion we want to insert the shaft. Okay. Now whether you have understood all the dimension of the bush, how to draw the bush. Yes, anybody, any problem is there? Any doubt which dimension is not understood? Please tell me. Yes. So can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now our two part is completed. Okay. Two part is completed. Then our third part is remaining. What is our third part? Okay. See here. This will be our third part. That is the pad. We want to draw here. आम्हाला सांगा पॅड कसा आहे, सॉलिड आहे का हॅलो आहे? इट इज सॉलिड पार्ट. ओके, म्हणजे हे काय करायला लागणार आपल्याला कुठेतरी एका ठिकाणी रेस्ट करावं लागणार आहे. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इन्सर्ट. ओके, सॉलिड पार्ट आहे, पॅड आहे. व्हॉट इज द डायमेन्शन ऑफ पॅड दे हॅव गिवन? व्हॉट इज द डायमेन्शन? What is the diameter of pad? 45 mm. See, this diameter they have given. That is the 45 mm. And what is the thickness? That is the 13 mm. 13 mm thickness दिले, 45 mm diameter दिले. Okay, 45 mm diameter. You have to make the imagine. ह्याचा किती आहे? 45 आणि ह्याचा किती आहे? 45. म्हणजे कुठं बसेल हे? Yes, anybody? Fear that pad is going to fit. Yes. Fear that pad is going to fit. Please. Any idea?
बुश मध्ये. हॅलो.
ठीक आहे, बुश मध्ये बसणार आहे. ओके, म्हणजे कुठं बसेल? हियर. वी वॉन्ट टू फिट दॅट पॅड इनसाइड द बुश ऍट द बॉटम साइड. 45 आहे, इथं आपण बसवू शकतो या साईडला. बरोबर आहे का? ओके, हियर. This is the very easy part. We can easily understood this. Then our last part, that is the part number 4, that is the shaft. We want to draw this shaft. Okay. Already this portion we have drawn here. This is the diameter of shaft. ह्याच्यामध्ये shaft बसणार आहे. त्यामुळे काय shaft separately draw करायची काय आपल्याला गरज नसणार आहे. हा shaft असेल या ठिकाणी. And what is the height of that shaft they have given? See, what is the height? Yes, tell me, it is visible to all. What is this height? किती height आहे? Yes. What is this height? 68. Okay. This height they have given the 68 height of that shaft up to this portion. 60 height is there. And what is this total height? The bushची total height किती होती आपली? 73 होते. बरोबर आहे? 73 होते. आणि जी किती आहे? 68 आहे. Okay. Then, okay, this up to this height, up to this 68 height, we can draw this shaft. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now, what is the diameter of that shaft they have given? This upward portion diameter they have given. That it is the, what is this?
55.
55 mm. But they have not given this length. ही length दिली नाही तुम्ही. You can take randomly. ही length तुम्ही किती घेऊ शकता, no problem. And then we have to draw this shaft case here. Okay. This is the details of the footstep bearing. This will be the details of the footstep bearing. Okay. Now which part is remaining? Now this is, we have drawn, understood this part. We have understood this is understood. This is also completed. That portion is only remaining. Which portion is remaining? Okay. Just we want to understood the top view of that body. Then how to draw the top views here? How to draw the top view? Again, they have given the top view of that front. Top view of that body they have given. See, they have given all the dimension here. What is meant by the top view? How to draw that top view? Okay, just we have to view from the top view, and to concept you have to remember. Okay, which line is visible? Draw that solid line, and which line is not visible? Then draw that line, dotted line. Okay, see here, and they have already given the top view here. Okay, top view then आपल्याला पूर्णपणे दिला. As it is, top view we want to draw here. Okay, तेव्हा काय काय दिले top view मध्ये त्याने? Okay, this total length of that block they have given, that is the 180. Okay, then what is this height? They have given what is this height? That is the 115. Okay, so that we can draw this block easily. Okay, then we want to draw this center line. As it is, we can take the projection line here. The center line I'm going to draw here. Okay, see here. Okay, now again from the center point they have given this distance. मला हे दोन आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे. नाव हिअर वी वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ दॅट 4 नट अँड बोल्ट हिअर. वी वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ दिस नट अँड बोल्ट. तर मला सांगा हे डिस्टन्स त्याने किती दिले, हे सेंटर पॉईंट पासून हे डिस्टन्स किती दिले. येस, व्हॉट इज दिस डिस्टन्स? 65. Okay, then we have to take that 65 distance and draw this line. Okay, draw this line here. Again, we want to take the 65 distance in this direction and draw this center point. Okay, बरोबर. Then also we can take the center point of this portion. Okay, center point आपण काढून घ्यायचं. किती वेळ घेणार आहे? Just we have to divide the 115 and draw this center point. Okay, center point आपण ड्रॉ करून घेतलंय. त्यानंतर बघा, okay, this gap of that gap between that two line also द्यावं घेऊन. किती गॅप असेल या दोन लाईन मधला? किती गॅप असेल? Yes,
5 mm.
please tell me. 5 mm, because they have given here. See this 5 mm gap they have given, so that I'm going to take the 5 mm gap and draw this line. Okay, ही लाईन आपण ड्रॉ करून घेऊ. तसेच सेम दिस लाईन आपण ही लाईन ड्रॉ करून घेऊ. Okay, now again here, again they have given here one gap. या ठिकाणी गॅप दिलाय त्यांनी बघा फ्रंट व्ह्यू मध्ये. किती एम चा गॅप आहे? हा 12 mm चा गॅप आहे. बरोबर आहे का? सो दॅट दिस टू लाईन्स ऑफ 12 mm वी कॅन ड्रॉ हियर. म्हणजे सेंटर पॉईंट पासून कितीचा गॅप घ्यायचा आपल्याला? ह्या साईडला 6 mm, ह्या साईडला 6 mm, 12चा डायमीटर घेऊन हे तुम्ही लाईन ड्रॉ करू शकता. Okay, understood? Then which part is remaining? Then we want to draw these holes. Okay, that nut and bolt hole, for that nut and bolt we want to draw in here. आपल्याला काय करायचं? ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचं. Okay, then how to draw this? कोण सांगते how to draw this? Yes. Okay, already this center line we have drawn here. Okay, again this center line also we have drawn here. Okay, then this gap they have given here. From this portion, this up to this, this gap they have given. What is this gap? Yes, what is this gap? हे गॅप किती आहे? हे गॅप किती आहे दिले त्यांनी? What is this gap? 12 mm.
12.
Okay, this is okay, correct. This is 12. Again from the bottom side also they have given this is 12. Okay, and also from this portion here. Okay. Okay, see here from this center point. ह्या center point पासून वरती किती गॅप दिला आहे? हा center point पासून किती गॅप दिलाय वरती? 28. हे 28 ची लाईन मी ड्रॉ करून घेतली आहे साइडला. सेम तशीच in this direction side also. Again from this center point they have given this distance, that is the 28 mm. This line I'm going to draw here, and similarly this line we have drawn here. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळालं तुम्हाला सांगायचं? सेंटर पॉइंट भेटला का? Yes, we have find the center point. सेंटर पॉइंट कुठे भेटला आपल्याला? या ठिकाणी भेटला. Okay, so here center point we have find out. Now we can draw these circles. तर मला सांगा, what is the diameter of this circle? What is the diameter of that big circle?
38.
Okay, with the help of that 38 we can draw that all the 4 circle here. And then this small circle, what is the dimension they have given? Okay, what is the length of this circle? काय elliptical दिसतोय का? लेंथ किती दिली त्यांनी? 22 दिली. 22. And this height, what is this height? Height किती दिली?
16.
Here 60 दिली आणि 22 दिली. So this is the 22, this is the 60 चा कर्व घेऊन आपण ड्रॉ करू शकतो. Similarly we can draw that 4. Okay, 4 side also. Okay, understood? समजले का? And then what is this circle? What is this circle? Yes, what will be this circle? Once you have to prepare that whole assembly so that you can easily understand that circles. Okay, yes, all part you have understood, all the details you have understood. Now we want to make the assembly. Okay, समजले का सर? until समजले का त्याच्या? कोणाला काय डाऊट? Yes,
No, sir.
okay, so I'm going to show you their animation. Wait 1 minute. How it is usual? Okay, you understood? Hello? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here that 3D modeling is along with me. Okay, so that also we can understood here. Okay, see here, this is the 3D modeling. See, this is the body part. See, this is the body first part. Okay, see, and what is this body part they have given? See, this is the body part number 1. Okay, then this this whole part is the part number 1 is here. Then this is the second or third part, we can see this is the pad. Okay, once we have to first upon we have to draw this body. Okay, then inside this pad into this body at the bottom side, this pad is going to fit in here. This is the pad. Okay, then we can say it is the second point. Okay, then what is this part? Yes, what will be this part? Yes, tell me, what is this part?
Shaft.
Yes,
Bush.
it is not
Bush,
shaft,
bush.
it is bush. It is bush, na? It is hollow. See here, this is hollow, so that it is the bush is there, and this is shaft is there. Okay, in this manner or in this fashion, we want to make the assembly here. Okay, how to make the assembly? First upon you have to understood how to make the assembly. First upon we have to draw this body. Okay, already we have discussed that all the dimension of that body, so that we can easily draw this body. Okay, this body we want to draw. Then we want to insert this pad. Okay, this pad is going to fit it at the bottom side. Okay, see here, I think this pad here, this pad is going to fit it at this portion here. Okay, this portion up to distance. Okay, here we can fit this pad here. Then once pad is fitted, then we want to insert this bushes here. Insert this, we can insert the bush. Okay, in this manner, whatever their dimension there, with respect to their dimension, we can fit this bush. Okay, once that bush is fitted, then we want to insert this shaft. Okay, simply, okay, in this manner we want to make the assembly. Okay, see here, in this manner your assembly is going to prepare here. Okay, see, once again I'm going to show you. See, this is the sectional view, cutting sectional view they have shown here. Okay, here also we can easily understood. See, this is the body part. Okay, here they have given the front view. Okay, okay, आपल्या diagram मध्ये काय दिलं आहे, front view काढून आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. See, this is the body part number 1 is here. This is the body. Okay, this body we can easily draw. Okay, once you have to prepare that body, here they have given the, see, this is the block also they have given, or hole they have given. Okay, this is the body. Okay, then what is the next point? See, this is the pad. Okay, this is the pad. Again, this is the bush. Okay, here they are not showing the shaft here. Okay, first up on you have to draw this body. Then we want to insert this pad at this bottom portion. Then we want to insert this bush, and once we have to insert that pad and bush, then finally we want to insert the shaft here. Okay, here also you can see this is the body, this is the pad, this is the bush, this is the bush body, then this is the pad, and this is the shaft is here. Okay, you understood how that assembly is going to prepare. Okay, please tell me how many parts are there in that footstep bearing. In that footstep bearing, it having the 5 parts are there. What are that 5 parts? Okay, first part is your body. First up on we want to draw that body according to the given all the dimension. Whatever dimension they have given with respect to that dimension, first up on we have to draw the body. Then we want to insert the pad with respect to their given dimension. Okay, whatever dimension they have given with respect to that dimension, we want to prepare the pad, and that pad we want to fit at the bottom side of that body. See here we want to fit the pad at the bottom side. Here we want to fit the pad. Okay, then our third part, that is the bush. Okay, then once we have to prepare that body and we have to fit the pad, then we want to press the press the bush into that body. Okay, because they have given the proper dimension, so that we can easily insert that bush into the body. See, this is the bush. Okay, so this is the bush we want to insert. And then once we have to insert the pad bush into that body, then our last part, that is the shaft we want to insert into that bush. Okay, in this manner or in this fashion we want to prepare the assembly. Okay, so whether you understood, now we can I start to draw the assembly. Now whatever that basic fundamental thing which is required to draw that assembly, these are understood. Yes, anybody having any problem, please tell me. कुठला part तुम्हाला समजलाय विचारू शकता. Yes, hello. So can I Proceed. Hello.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so can I proceed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here. Now we want to. Now I'm going to try to draw these assemblies here. Okay. See here. First, upon we want to draw this first part. Then we want to draw this second part pad. Then we want to draw this bush. Okay, and then we want to draw this shaft, and then we want to finally draw the top view of that given drawing. Okay, in this manner we want to draw this assembly, or in this manner we want to prepare this assembly. See here. Okay, then how to draw? Okay, see, this is the first part we want to draw here. So this is the first part. How to draw? Already I explained all the dimension here. How to draw? Tell me. First upon we want to draw this line. Okay, first upon we want to take one vertical axis line. Okay, first upon we want to draw one vertical axis line like this. Then tell me, तुम्ही मला सांगायचं आता how to draw, please. Anybody? How to draw? Okay, first upon we have to draw one vertical axis. Then we want to draw. Okay, we can start to draw this figure from this bottom portion. हे आपल्याला सुरुवातीला पार्ट काढून घ्यायचं आहे. त्यामुळे काय करावं लागेल? Yes, first upon we can draw this line. Okay, see here, this line we want to draw. What is the length of this line?
180.
Yes, tell me. 180. Okay, so that first upon we want to draw this 180 line here. Okay, see here, simply I'm going to draw here 180 line. Okay, then what is this height they have given? What is this height they have given?
15.
Yes, 15. See here, this height they have given the 15. We want to draw this straight, huh? Straight सुरुवातीला काढून घ्या 15 mm. Okay, but here in this figure we want to draw this inclined line. तर आपल्या या ठिकाणी काय करायचे? Inclined line काढून घ्यायची. Then how to draw this inclined line? Tell me how to draw this inclined line. Yes, काय करून घ्यावं लागेल? What is this gap they have given? हे गॅप किती दिला इथला? किती mm इकडे इन्क्लाइन करून घ्यायचं? 5 mm. म्हणजे काय करायचं? ह्या पॉइंट पासून एक 5 mm डिस्टन्स घ्या आणि एक मार्क करा. सिंपल. ह्या साइड कडून 5 mm घ्या आणि एक मार्क करा. Okay, and now this inclined line we can draw here. This inclined line we can draw here. Okay, now this line we can erase it. Okay, so understood? Then see here, then we want to, आता आपण कुठं आलो इथपर्यंत आलेलो आहे. ठीक आहे. Then we want to draw directly we can take the height. Total height किती आपल्याला दिली आहे? 60 plus 15. म्हणजे directly we can draw, this is the 70 mm line here. Okay, 75 mm line here up to this. Okay, actually this is the 75 mm. Okay, here 75 mm ची लाईन मी ड्रॉ करून घेतली. Then we want to draw this outside portion here. हे outside portion आपल्याला ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचं आहे. Okay, from this line how many diameter we want to take here? किती diameter घ्यायचं आपल्याला या लाईन पासून? आता ही लाईन ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी, येस, ही लाईन ड्रॉ करण्यासाठी किती डायमीटर घ्यावं लागेल? 75 mm पासून आहे. येस,
90.
ओके, 90. ओके, म्हणजे in this direction it is 45, in this direction it is 45, and then we can draw this line in downward direction up to this portion, okay, up to this portion I have drawn here. Okay, then इथपर्यंत आपण ऑलरेडी लाईन ड्रॉ करून ठेवलेली, बरोबर आहे का? So that we can easily join it. We can join it. Now this outside portion is completed. Now what is remaining? What is remaining? See here, this inside diameter, sorry, that inside portion is remaining. Then how to draw that inside? Yes, tell me first. Yes, how to draw this inside portion? Yes. Okay, see here, from this line, what is this diameter they have given? This diameter, that is the 62. means from this line, from this vertical line, we can take 31 mm in this direction, 31 mm this direction. See, 31 mm direction in this direction, 31 mm in this direction. Okay, but up to what distance we want to take? This is the 12 mm distance. This is here 12 mm distance. Okay, this portion I have drawn here. Then this diameter we want to draw here. This, what is this diameter? Yes, what is this diameter? Please give the reply. Hello. Hello.
64.
64. Up to what distance? Up to this distance. Up to this distance. What is this distance? This is 35 mm. Okay, this is the 35 mm. So that this red line, take the black line. Huh? So I'm going to draw this line here. Again, I'm going to draw this line here. Okay, then this diameter we want to draw. Diameter आपल्याला draw करून घ्यायचं आहे. Then what is the diameter of this line? That is the 62 mm up to this distance. Okay, then take directly 62 mm and join this. Okay, now this body part is completed. Now here what is remaining? We want to draw this line here. This gap they have given. He slot आपल्याला दिलेत. Okay, here this का? This two slot we want to draw here. Okay, then how to draw? Simply we have to take that vertical line. What is this gap they have given? That is the 12 mm gap. Means in this direction we want to take the 6 mm. In this direction we want to take the 6 mm. Draw this 12 mm gap. Okay, and what is this high length they have given? Length किती दिली बघा इथून? Length किती आहे? Okay, from this center point, this length is 65. This length is 65. Okay, here we can take the 65 here. Here we can take the 65. Okay, so that we are going to reach up to this. We are going to reach up to this. The दोन्ही मधला gap किती दिलाय? Yes. What is this gap they have given? What is this gap? ये gap किती दिलाय? Yes. किती दिलाय त्याने? किती दिलाय? It is visible.
3.
3 mm. Okay, so that we can take that 3 mm gap. Take this 3 mm gap, join this line. Okay, now what is remaining? Okay, again this side also they have given these slots. Okay, this portion we want to draw here. Okay, from this line, what is this gap they have given? That is the 3 mm. Just we want to draw that 3 mm height and join this. Again from here 3 mm line and join this. Okay, now our part number 1 is completed. Yes. Any problem is there? Whether you understood part number 1? Hello. कुणाला काय डाऊट आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये समजलं का part number 1?
Yes, sir.
Because they have given all the dimension. Okay, so now what is our next part? What is our next part? What is our next part? That is the part number 2. That is the pad we want to draw here. Okay, see here. Pad we want to draw. I'm going to erase it. समजलं असेल तर erase करतो म्हणजे बाकीचं समजेल तुम्हाला. Okay, you have to imagine the काय ब्लॅक कलर ड्रॉ केलेला पार्ट आहे तो कुठला आहे? पार्ट नंबर 1 आहे आपला. ओके, ब्लॅक नंबरचा पार्ट आपण 1 ड्रॉ केलेला आहे. Then we want to draw this second part, that is the pad. Then how to draw the pad? Simply, okay, how to draw this pad? Okay, this gap, that 3 mm gap is here. Here also 3 mm gap. From this 3 mm gap, what is the height of that pad they have given? Pad ची height किती दिली त्यांनी? Yes, pad ची height किती आहे? This height, this is the 13 mm. And what is this width of that pad? That is the 45. Okay, म्हणजे आपण इथून किती घेऊ शकतो? डिस्टन्स पासून, व्हर्टिकल लाईन पासून This is the, yes, 22.5 in this direction, 22.5 in this direction. ओके, ठीक आहे. हे आपण ड्रॉ केलं आणि ह्याची हाईट किती दिली त्यांनी 13 दिली. मी काय करतो, ह्या कुठल्या पॉईंट पासून घ्यायचा, ह्या 3 mm च्या गॅप पासून घ्यायचा 13 mm. ओके, हे घेतलं आणि जॉईन केलं. ओके, this will be the gap and this will be your pad here. तुमचं पॅड असेल. This is part number 2. Okay, it is very simple. It is very simple. Okay, समजले का पॅड? Okay, because that pad having 2 dimension is there. Just only observe the dimension and draw this pad at the bottom of the body. Okay, समजले का? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is our next part? What is our next part?
Bush.
Bush. Now it is important time. Important part is remaining. That is the bush we want to draw here. Okay. Then take the, okay. Now this bush, that is the part number 3 we want to draw here. This is the bush. Okay. Already see here. This black color you are looking. It is the part number 1. This it is 2. This is part number 1. This is part number 2 we want to draw here. And now you have to imagine whatever that red color portion is there. Okay, see this red color portion is your bush. This is the part number 3. That part we want to draw here. Then how to draw? Yes, how to draw? Simple. First upon whatever height they have given, that height we can take height. What is this height? What is this height? I think it is 73, na?
73.
Right, it is 73 height. Okay, from this point we can take the 73 distance up to this. Okay, then already we have drawn this vertical axis is here from this point. Okay, from this point we can draw this diameter. हे diameter आपल्याला draw करून घ्यायचं आहे. किती दिला हे diameter? किती आहे हे? What is this diameter? किती आहे? किती आहे?
90.
Okay. No, it is not 90. It is 80. 80 आहे हा 90 आहे. Okay, it is visible. दिसते का बघा हे किती आहे? 80 आहे. This will be the 80 mm diameter. Okay, so from this point we can take here up to 40 distance. Here we can take the 40 distance. Okay, now आपल्याला खाली किती यायचं आहे साईडला? What is this gap they have given? That is 6 mm. आपण इथपर्यंत 6 mm घेतला. Okay, this will be the 6 mm depth they have given. Okay, now इथून खाली किती यायचं आहे? 6 mm पर्यंत आलो. ठीक आहे, इथपर्यंत. ओके, तर बघा हे गॅप तुम्ही इथं असं कर्व घेऊ शकता. इथं we can draw this curve. Now we want to draw this diameter. हे diameter आता किती दिले त्याने आपल्याला? इथून खाली डिस्टन्स किती घ्यायला सांगितले? 10 mm. म्हणजे कुठं असेल 10 mm, इथपर्यंत 10 mm असेल. ओके, 10 mm डिस्टन्स असेल आणि हा डायमीटर किती आहे? 75 mm. म्हणजे इथून किती घ्यायचं आहे? 37.5 in this direction and 75 direction in another direction. इथून किती घ्यायचं? 37.5, 37.5. Okay, and then draw this line. Okay, समजलंय का? Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes.
I think only Kalyanpur is listening the lecture. Kalyanpur, Rohit, and Gauri. Only 3 students they have listened the lecture. What about others? Nobody is going to give the reply. Single reply also no given. Nobody has given. I'm not going to consider your attendance. If you are not given the reply, I'm not going to consider your attendance. Whether you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here आता आपण कुठपर्यंत आलेलो आहे? ह्या पोर्शन पर्यंत आलेलो आहे. ठीक आहे. Now we want to draw this height. हे डायमीटर आपल्याला ड्रॉ करून घ्यायचं आहे. किती डिस्टन्स पर्यंत करून घ्यायचं आहे? 12 पर्यंत करून घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, Okay, see here. Up to this portion we have completed. Up to this portion we have completed. Now we want to draw this portion. हे किती असेल? What is this diameter? This diameter it will be 62. Up to what distance? 12 mm. Okay, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे डिस्टन्स कितीपर्यंत असेल? 12 mm पर्यंत. हे किती घ्यायचं आहे? 62 घ्यायचं आहे. 62 घ्यायचं आहे. This is the 62 mm and this is the height of 12 mm. Okay, now see here. Now we want to draw this diameter. Diameter किती दिलं आपल्याला? 60 दिलेला आहे. ओके, व्हॉट इज हाईट? 35 mm. बघा इथून येणार आहे स्ट्रेट याचा रेड कलरची लाईन सी करा. दिस इज द 60 mm. 60 mm diameter line I'm going to draw here up to distance 35 mm. हे 35 mm चे डिस्टन्स असेल. किती असेल? 35 mm असेल. Okay, then remaining portion we can join easily here. This is okay. Now this is the bush. Okay, now this portion is called as the bush. We can draw easily. Okay, with the help of given the dimensions here. हे bush समजले का? बघा हे पोर्शन जे आहे, this is called as the bush. Okay, understood? Then which part is remaining? Right now, see which part is remaining.
लिस्ट बनवली गाईड फक्त तुम्ही
Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, now last part is remaining, that is the shaft we want to insert inside this bush. Okay, then what is the diameter of that shaft they have given? That is the 45 mm. Okay, and up to this height. Okay, from this portion we can take this height, that is the, I think, what is this height? It is the 68 ना. किती height दिले? 65 आहे का 68 आहे? Okay, whatever the height they have given, up to this we can draw this shaft of the diameter 45 mm. 45 mm चा shaft तुम्ही ड्रॉ करून घ्या या ठिकाणी इन्सर्ट मध्ये. And this dimension, this height they have not given, you can take the randomly. Okay, now your assembly is completed. Okay, understood? Okay, now which part is remaining? Okay, just we want to draw the top view. Okay, just we want to draw the top view here. See here. See, this is the part number 1 we have drawn. This is the part number 2, pad. This is the part number 3, bush, and this is the part number 4, that is the shaft. Okay, now this is the assembly we have prepared. From this assembly also we can make the details also. आता बघा ह्यात गेलेल्या assembly वरून आपण डिटेल्स कशी काढू शकतो? सिंपल. तर तुम्हाला ही assembly दिली, तर how to prepare the detail? Just you have to observe the hatching line. Okay, from that hatching line also we can differ their parts. Okay, तर बघा हे जे hatching line कशी आहे? In this direction आहे. Okay, अशी आहे या ठिकाणी. Okay, so that it means that it is the part number 1, it is part number 2, and just observing their dimension we can easily separate the parts also. Okay, now here we have drawn the assembly of that footstep bearing, and now our last part is remaining, that is we want to draw the top view. Okay, just we have to observe that whole diagram from the top view and try to draw this top view here. Okay, see here how to draw. Simply take you have to draw the top view, we can take the projection line also. See, simple, we can take the projection line of this line here. या लाईनची projection line आपण draw करून घेऊया खाली. Okay, simply you can take the projection line. See here, this projection line I'm going to take here, and this is this projection line I'm going to take here. Again from this corner. Okay, from this corner here also we can take this projection line here. Again here we can take this projection line here. Okay, and this height and width they have given. That is the shear. Okay, what is this length? This is the 180 and this is the 150 they have given, so that we can easily draw this. It is the 180 length, this is the 150 length they have given, so that we can draw this block easily. Okay, now see here, this gap here is the gap is there, na 12 mm gap is here. See this 12 mm gap. Okay, it is not visible, just you have to observe from the top view, it is not visible, so that I'm going to draw this dotted, this 12 mm gap I'm going to take it dotted line. See here, तर बघा टॉप वरून पाहिलं तर the diameter of that shaft, okay, diameter of that shaft we can easily observe, so that first upon you have to draw the diameter of that shaft. Okay, whatever diameter they have given, according to that draw this circle here, it is visible. Again see here, these two circles, okay, see these two circles, circle number 1 and circle number 2 here, see these are visible. Okay, कोणाचे सर्कल आहेत मला सांगा. Yes, this will be this circle here. Okay, ह्याचे प्रोजेक्शन लाईन घ्या तुम्ही खाली, ह्याचे प्रोजेक्शन लाईन हे सर्कल असेल, ह्याच्या प्रोजेक्शन लाईनचं हे सर्कल असेल तुमचं, इट इज विजिबल. म्हणून काय काढलंय आपण, डार्क काढलेला आहे. देन व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट सर्कल, सॉरी हे सर्कल हे असेल ना, ह्या पॉइंटचं असेल, सॉरी ह्या पॉइंटचं असेल, ह्या पॉइंटचं असेल आणि ह्या पॉइंटचं सर्कल असेल. देन दिस इनसाइड सर्कल वी कॅन ड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, हे जे काय आतलं सॉलिड सर्कल तुम्हाला दिसते कोणाचं असेल, ह्या पोर्शनचं असेल. टेक द दिस प्रोजेक्शन लाईन, ड्रॉ दिस, इट इज विजिबल, now here two dotted circle you are looking, हे दोन डॉटेड सर्कल दिसतात. हे कशाचे असणार आहे डॉटेड सर्कल, येस ह्या लाईनचं एक असेल, ह्या लाईनचं एक असेल, ह्या डायमीटरचं एक असेल, सी ह्या डायमीटरचं एक असेल आणि ह्या डायमीटरचं एक असेल, सी हियर. ओके, in this manner we can draw the top view also, and see this portion also, this portion in that top view also they have given. Just observing the dimension we can draw this holes also. Okay, understood how to draw that top view? Yes, anybody having any problem is there? Hello, so whether you understood?
Yes, sir.
So anybody having any problem, please tell me which part is not understood. Once again I'm going to take repeat. Yes sir, yes please. Hello, understood? Okay, so once again I'm going to take small revision which part we have seen here. Okay, up till now we have studied that three type of assemblies here. Okay, see here which assembly we have studied. Okay, within 5 minutes we are going to take the revision. Also in first lecture we have studied the assembly of the tool post assembly we have studied. Okay, how many parts are there in that tool post assembly? Again it having the 5 parts are there. And what was the application of that tool post assembly? Here it is used, that tool post assembly we are knowing that it is using in that lathe machine for holding the single point cutting tool or various type of the cutting tools here. Okay, see here in that assembly which part they have given. See here, okay, see this is the front view they have given. Okay, see this is the front view they have given, this is the top view of that all the part they have given. Okay, just you have to observe the dimension and hatching line. Okay, so that we can easily separate that all the part. And okay, if you are knowing the function of that particular part and just observing the dimension, we can prepare the assembly here. See this is the tool post assembly. See this is the part number 1, that is the body. Then stud is here. Okay, then ring is here, washer is there, sorry, wedge is there. Okay, then how to prepare that assembly, how we have prepared this assembly. First of all we have to draw this portion. Okay, then this block we want to insert, then this ring we want to insert, then this wedge we want to insert, and then we have to clamp it by the studs. Okay, in this manner also we have prepared this tool post assembly. Okay, also you can make the practice Okay, see these are the 3D part of that tool post. See, this is the body of your tool post. Then this is the block. This is the ring. Okay, this is the wedge, and this is the stud. Okay, see here. This is also we have observed or we have seen in that last lecture. Then also we have covered stuffing box assemblies here. Okay, along with details, huh? Okay, stuffing box assemblies here. Then what is the function of the stuffing box? A stuffing box is used to prevent the loss of fluid, such as the steam. And where it is used, where sliding or turning parts of machine element is there. Okay, in such application or in such condition, we can use the stuffing box for prevent the loss of the fluid. Okay, see here, these are the details of the stuffing box. Okay, see here they have given this top view. Huh? This is the front view. This is the top view they have given, and again it having the very few parts are there. Okay, this is the stuffing box body is here. Okay, then what is our next part? Yes, stuffing box bush. I think it is given. Okay, then this part we want to just insert about this stuffing box, and then we can clamp it with the help of that stud also. See this animation for 3D modeling. See here, this is the body. This is the body they have given. Then this is the gland. See, this is the gland, and this is the stud also they have given. Okay, this is the bush, and this is the nuts. Okay, also this part also we have discussed in this in that last lecture, and in today's lecture we have covered our next assembly, that is the footstep bearing assembly. Okay, and once again I'm going to repeat what is the application of that footstep bearing. Footstep bearing we can use to support the shafts, and also you have to remember in that footstep bearing we can insert the shaft in vertical direction, and only one part or only one end of that shaft is going to fit into that footstep bearing. Okay, see once again how many parts of that footstep bearing they have given in the details. See here, this is the part number 1 they have given. See, this is the main part. You have to remember this is the part number 1 they have given. It is called as the body. Then this is the part number, again this is part number 2. It's called as the pad they have given. Then they have given the third part in the details, that is the bush, and this is the shaft they have given. Okay, also they have given the top view of this portion. Okay, then with respect to their function and with respect to their dimension, just observe the dimension. Okay, the same dimension असेल किंवा थोडाफार जर टॉलरन्स त्याने दिला असेल तर तो त्याच्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट होत असतो, हे लक्षात ठेवा. Okay, now in this footstep bearing, how that assembly is going to prepare. Okay, first upon we have to draw this body, then we have to insert this bush into this body. Okay, then here we want to fit this pad, then we have to insert the bush, and then we want to insert the shaft. Okay, and then finally we can draw this. Once we have to prepare that assembly, then we want to prepare the top view. Okay, see here. Okay, see that 3D modeling also, and this is the actual figure we have drawn here according to the dimension also. Okay, so if anybody having any problem, you can ask me. Yes, समझत का? Now we are having number of example of assembly and details. Okay, that PDF I will send, or I will put that PDF into study material, so you can take from it and try to make practice of that all the assembly and details. So up till now, any problem is there? Yes, anybody? Please tell me. Anybody having any problem? Okay. So can I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Please don't leave the meeting. I'm going to take the attendance here. Just wait for 1 minute. Yesterday, our that animation it is not worked. That which animation is remaining? The stepping box animation is remaining. So I'm once again I'm going to try to show you. Just wait. Voice is audible. Yes. Voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
First of that video. Okay. Okay. See the stepping box animation is there. Okay. Okay. So can I stop here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just don't leave the meeting. I'm going to take the attendance. Okay. Please. Once again, I'm very thank to all the students for attending the lecture here.